Hey lawyers, this post is 3 kinds of ads that actually don't work. It's the worst when I see lawyers going down a path in advertising that's just going to waste your time and money. And I usually can't deter you from making these mistakes, but I'm hoping that this video helps. At the end of this video, I'm going to share some real numbers up front, no hiding the ball, and I'm offering you a very inexpensive way to work with this. If you have a personal injury or a Social Security benefit firm and you want or need to do advertising that works, this will give you a complete idea about what to expect. Okay, so here we are down by the lake. Ads that don't work, number 1, YouTube ads. YouTube ads for law firms can be so expensive, and I have yet to see them work. Well, search engine optimization for YouTube videos has worked really well in the past because a potential client will be putting in a search and educating themselves about something that you do. And they need an answer to a question, they find you, and that often can bring ideal clients for you. But it takes a while to search engine optimize videos and get to the top of the searches. YouTube paid ads, though, just don't generate clients to speak of. LSA, local service ads. Local service ads are expensive, and I've always had the feeling that when we're doing them, that our Google Maps SEO tends to get a little bit better. So having a low budget local service ad is not a bad idea. It's not going to kill anything, but it's not something that tends to bring you any clients. Ads that don't work, number 3. Unless you're willing to break the bank and spend about $200 per lead, pay-per-click is a huge bummer. And it doesn't really get you ideal clients, as what happens with all of these methods is that you'll need some way of chasing down your potential clients, weeding out the bad leads and educating them until they figure out that they need your help. Pay-per-click ads are expensive and do not work that great to bring in clients regularly. So what's left? Experience matters when hiring a marketing director or agency to do your advertising. This is a serious subject, and every bit of your advertising needs to educate them and help them off the fence. For example, if you're an injury lawyer, you don't need to waste your time with advertising that brings you a divorce case. Potential clients need vetting and educating so that they're not the wrong kind of clients. So let's recap. For all 3 of these strategies, there are not great techniques for vetting and educating people who see and respond to your ads. And there are lots of reasons why they don't work. Therefore, we're not getting ideal clients, if any, with those techniques. So if we're a marketing agency for lawyers with 15 plus years of experience and hundreds of law firms have utilized our services, let's talk now about very conservative costs and what to expect with advertising. Remember, this is really scalable and you can ramp it up once it's working well. So we're going to start with the smallest amount of money that you would ever spend on anything. So what do you pay for in advertising? There's 2 things that you pay for: creating and running the ads, and the platforms that you need to create and run the ads from. The person or team creating all your media and running, vetting, and following up with the ads, and then delivering you the potential clients. Right now, only for personal injury lawyers and Social Security disability benefit lawyers, for our time, we're charging $900 monthly. In terms of paying the platforms, there's 2 platforms. One that conservatively costs $15.99 hourly and helps us follow up and educate your potential clients. And then the advertising platform, which conservatively is $350 every 3 weeks. And the ads have been generating 20 leads for that amount. So that means that each of the leads are about $17.50 each, and you're not chasing them down. So if you're interested in working with us, we're offering you a month-to-month deal, no obligation to stay in it, because I know that it works really well, and I think you'll see that for yourself. And in the first 6 weeks, we usually just spend time creating the educational media that we need and setting up the platforms, and then we roll out the ads. If you're interested in getting clients for years to come with advertising, you can text me, Mary Cary, at 415-302-6991, or email me, mary@GoMediaMarketing.com, so that we can get started or just talk about how it works. And for the rest of you, I will see you in next week's video post, and I want to thank you for joining me out here in this beautiful area. We're off on vacation right now next to an alpine lake in the Sierras. And if you made it this far, if not, I'll see you next week anyway. Thanks so much. Bye.